The braking distances, so from 60 miles per hour to a complete stop, of an SUV are normally distributed, with a mean of 136 feet and a standard deviation of 4.66 feet. Random samples of size 15 are drawn from the population and the mean is recorded. Identify the population mean, the population standard deviation, and the sample size. Use the central limit theorem to find the mean of sample means and the standard deviation of sample means. So the population mean is 136. The population standard deviation is 4.66. The sample size is 15. Mu x bar is equal to mu. So that's also 136. And then sigma x bar is equal to sigma over the square root of n. So 4.66 divided by the square root of 15, which is 1.203206826. And if we round that to 2 decimal places, 1.20.